5 Best Mini Fridges. Number 5. Haier HC17SF15RB. Half-width freezer compartment with ice. 2-liter bottle storage. Full-width slide-out wire shelf. Recessed door handle. Half-width door storage shelf. Manual defrost with adjustable thermostat. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Igloo FR326M. Easily write and erase right on the fridge. 3.2 cubic foot fridge. Door basket for 2-liter bottles. Adjustable thermostat. The front door is a dry erase board. Slide-out glass shelves and ice cube tray. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Midea WHS65LB1. Large storage area is excellent at chilling beverages. Features adjustable legs. Storing frozen foods or making ice cubes. Full 1-year warranty. External product dimensions. Slightly tapered toward the back. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Magic Chef MCBR240S1. Stainless steel look. 2.4 CUFT capacity. Freezer compartment. Model info, MCBR240S1. Item weight, 39.7 pounds. Adjustable temperature thermostat control. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Danby Designer DCR044A2BDD. Capacity compact fridge. Full width freezer. 8-can door storage. Tall bottle storage. Form factor, standalone. Item weight, 57.8 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price.